here to try a new place that just opened up. It's a cross between Thai food and burger. So this looks hell innovative. So I gotta try this. The place is called Pandan Burger, located on Sawtelle in West Los Angeles. So I ordered a krapow smashburger with an extra patty and a pandan shake. I'm excited. So for those who don't know Thai food, krapow is basil stir-fried meat. And it looks like they threw it into burger with some fried egg and some cheese on here. Oh my god, this smells so good. Wow. Okay. Let's give this bad boy a shot. Mmm. Ooh, wow, this is so good. Mmm. Mmm. Wow, this explodes with flavor. Got some goat onion, fried egg, cheese, the basil, beef. Wow, this is really good. Mmm. Also got some cucumbers in there as well. Mmm. This is really good. Super tasty. I've got a pandan shake. Mmm. Mmm. Wow, it does taste like pandan. Mmm. Oh yeah, this pandan shake is super flavorful. The pandan is a plant that's grown natively in Southeast Asia, and they make a lot of desserts and food, mainly desserts, out of a pandan. It's got a really unique flavor profile. They really nailed this with the shake. Burger here. All right. Solid burger. Wow, very unique. I think like a smash burger style, but with Thai flavors and fried egg. Fried egg is amazing on anything, to be honest, but they nailed it here. Wow, super flavorful. All right, I'm back to try the satay pork curry sando. Looks really good. It's got some shoestring fries. Comes with some curry ketchup. All right, let's give this a shot. All right. All right. Oh my god. Wow. This is awesome. Got some marinated pickles, cucumbers, peanut sauce, nice panko crust from Japanese milk bread, toasted perfectly. Give it a nice thick cut of pork too. Wow, super yummy. Oh, interesting. You have a little curry in the ketchup too. Very interesting. Good. I understand those starter show right now. Definitely get this one. Highly recommended. I love the blend of textures in this sandwich. It's got the soft milk bread, the crunchy panko crust on the katsu, and the burst of flavor from the red onions and pickles. And that peanut sauce anchoring the flavor is spectacular. Yeah, I love how the pork is a nice thick cut, nice and juicy. Crust is perfectly crunchy. Wow, that was good. So guys, if you like Thai food and you guys like smash burgers, definitely gonna give this place a shot. It's called Pandan Burger between Sawtelle and Santa Monica. All right, see you guys in the next video.